What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to give you guys a very quick update in the markets and break down how things are looking. I'm also going to talk about what's happening with some of the things that Jerome Powell said. But let me first say that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out the Webull link, which is down below and in the description. If you sign up for Webull and deposit $500, you're guaranteed 20 free stocks. And deposit $25,000 or more, you're guaranteed 75 of them. As of right now, guys, when it comes to the way the market's looking, we're trying to push right now. SPY is actually attempting to break past this 505 resistance. But right now, I just want to make it very clear that the next resistance is going to be 505.9, the 20 EMA. If we manage to close above this or hold above this, we could see SPY push higher tomorrow and try to make our way all the way back up at least to past 507. So we're going to be watching to see how SPY reacts to this. It is still shuffling between 505 and 505.9, where our 20 EMA resistance happens to be on the hourly time frame. So I'm seeing some potential in this, but it's very important to note that the market has to try to test this, and we're going to be watching to see where we end up closing in about 30 minutes. So Jerome Powell was speaking today during the discussion with the Bank of Canada, and he spoke that the U.S. economy has not seen inflation come back to central bank's goals, pointing to future changes that could be coming. He's saying that it's less likely they're going to be cutting rates immediately or anytime soon. They need a lot more data, and they haven't really gotten greater confidence on them being open to just cutting rates immediately. So they have to wait some more time. He talked about how the Fed may have to keep rates higher for longer, and he also mentioned other changes that could be made to their policies. Besides that, I would say that most of what Powell said was very ambiguous. Same thing as usual, nothing too crazy. The market did dip a little bit, then come back up, and now it's trying to rebound. So you could see right here when Powell started speaking, we got this dip all the way down to the 502 area before we saw this thing get ready for a push back up. And now we're going to be testing our 20 EMA. So we'll be watching to see if SPY can break this. We are trying to push a bit. If we close above 505.9, there's going to be potential for tomorrow. So we'll see how close goes. For more upside, more potential for upside. For Tesla, we're trying to turn as well. We're going to be looking at resistance at 157.5. If Tesla does close above that, we could be making our way back up closer to 160 tomorrow. And if we end up losing 155, we could be dipping. All day we were just stuck in this range between 155 and 157.5. So Tesla is still range bound, but we'll see if this could push as well. We're seeing some life over there. Onto the QQQ, we're trying to hold above our 20 EMA at 432.78. We're still kind of below it. So look at that as resistance. If we break through this, we could be pushing all the way up to about 4. Basically, it's 434, then 435.55. If we lose 432, we're going to be dipping back down towards 430. There is potential for this to push a little bit higher, but watch this resistance just to see how it goes. For Aapl, we're attempting to push a little bit as well. We're at this 170 resistance. If we do break through this, we could be looking for 171.5. If we lose 169, we're going to be looking for a little dip right here. So I'm seeing some potential for this thing to turn. I think Aapl could try to push closer to 171. So I'm seeing life on this as well. So the whole market is looking like it's showing potential. For Nvidia, we came all the way down to about 850 today. Now we're trying to rebound off some bullish news. Our resistance to watch for is 881.3. If we break through this, I could see 892 pretty quickly, if not 900 by tomorrow. But we have to see if we can close above 881 or not. If we fail to do so, look at support at 875. If we lose that, we're going to be dipping. Nvidia is showing some life as well, trying to rebound. So I'm seeing some strength in the market. We're trying to push a bit for a little bit of a recovery move. It's just a very, very minor move. It's not like we're, squeezing to all-time highs or anything like that. But there's an attempt to bounce. I'm seeing this building some momentum right now. Looking at Coinbase, it's also following the trend. So we had this support at 20. This 205 area is going to be our support, also 200. We've bounced up 205. Now we're trying to get to 221.66 to 20 EMA. Watch that as resistance. Let's see if we close above or below it. If we close above it, there's going to be more potential. Amazon's just shuffling at 184. If we break through this, look for 185.11. We're still kind of stuck, still giving it some time. Meta's basically the same setup. We're stuck below 503. If we break through that, we could be looking for 507.73. So we're just waiting for some time. The VIX is very indecisive, but it is starting to shift downwards a bit towards the 50 EMA. 17.58 is a real possibility. So if this breaks or not, just going to be a little bit patient for now, but that's all I'm seeing on the charts for the time being. The market is showing some strength, trying to recover, trying to push a little bit. It could push higher. That's despite what Jerome Powell said. I guess the market is finally just making a recovery move and using Powell as that excuse. So watch the resistance levels and see where we end up closing. With that being said, guys, let's just give this another 30 minutes. Let's see how the market closes. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys very soon. Look at this range and let's see if the market could break resistance. Thanks for listening again, and peace out.